Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. In 1957, the 150 was the base model, but let me tell you, this isn't no base model anymore. There's a 454 big block under that hood, and attached to it is air conditioning, power steering. There's power brakes with disc at all four wheels, custom TMI interior, touchscreen stereo, tilt column, custom gauges. It's been body off the frame restored. This 57 has a lot to offer. If you go to volocars.com, you can read all the specs, you can study all the pictures, and that's where you'll find the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a 57 Chevy. Gorgeous tropical turquoise. I love that color, especially on a 1950s car. I mean, it's so appropriate. It pops. It's good looking. Matter of fact, they like the color so much, the whole bottom of the car is painted that color. I told you they took the body off the frame. The bottom of the body is all metal. The braces, the floors, everything's metal. They cleaned it and they painted it this color. The whole chassis, the frame, the front suspension, all of that has also been prepped and painted this color. So when it was apart, they rebuilt the front end. Like I said, it has disc brakes at all four wheels. It has an emergency brake assembly. It's got a pipes dual exhaust system that's stainless steel with the X pipes, stainless mufflers. It's got a turbo 400 automatic trans. Looking up at the motor, it's spotless. The freeze plugs, the bolts, and the oil pan, the drain plug, it's all spotless, like it hasn't been driven. It's got a 10-bolt rear end in there now. New fuel system, the tank, the straps, it's all been replaced. So underneath this car is practically like new. It has air shocks in the back. And I think it's got 1-inch lowering blocks in the rear spring, so it's dropped down a little bit. There's new spindles in front. I would assume they're drop spindles because this is lowered down. It's got a nice stance. The exterior of the car is fantastic. The car is straight, fits nicely, there's no damage, there's no rust. I went around it out in the daylight, and then I went around it again in here. I don't see any problems or issues. I mean, this is all nice, the way it should be, smooth and clean. No weird issues. This is all nice. This door fits nice all the way around. Smooth, no bubbling. I believe it's all new glass. It looks that way to me. It's crystal clear. New gaskets around the glass. The stainless moldings, it's just around the front and rear windows and down the side here. This is new. It's beautiful. The door handles are an 8 or 9 out of 10. They're probably new, but reproduction chrome's not perfect. Inside here, really cool sculpted rear deck with mesh screens for the speakers. All the chrome back here has all been replaced. The bumper, the tail lights, the moldings. And for those of you that don't know, that's where you put the fuel in a 57 Chevy. I didn't think this was closed all the way. Just to show you, it does close and fits nice. So inside here is all clean metal. It's all painted that same beautiful turquoise. It's got a cut and sewn carpeted mat with insulation underneath it. New wiring harness, new weather strip. The seat divider looks new. This side of the car is just as nice. Honestly, I haven't seen any flaw. I'm sure there's a little nick or a little something here or there, but this thing shows really, really well. It's got Riddler wheels, 18-inch Riddler wheels with performance Yokohama tires. Now up here, most of the chrome is new. Like this one piece is not new. It's very good. These lenses should probably be replaced. Phillips screwdriver easy peasy, but the rest of this all looks new and beautiful. Just these two end pieces and the lenses. Probably someone forgot to order them when they ordered everything else, or on back order or something. The rockets are new. It's got a lot of stuff packed under there. We'll get right back to that. Door jambs, painted beautifully. The latches are either new or cleaned up. The weather strips replaced. The fuzzies have been replaced. So it's a TMI custom interior. They got nice looking, modern looking interior. They look expensive, high end. So you got some nice sculpted, contoured, reclining bucket seats. The back seat is sculpted and contoured to match the front. So it's all real nice seating. The door panels are custom, also modern, high-end looking, sharp looking. It's got all new window cranks and handles and armrests, new carpet, billet pedals. Up above, it's not real suede, but it feels just like suede in the visors. The whole center console is upholstered. Inside, it has that suede-like material, 2 cup holders, and a touchscreen stereo. Now, it's a 150, so across the dash, you have a clock delete, radio delete, and cigarette lighter delete. And all the metal is painted up real nice. Good-looking set of classic instrument gauges fit right in the factory holes. The heater control panel is new. It looks just like the original, but they're modern. These electric now instead of the cable, so the levers move real easy. So we got a 454, and like I said, it's fresh looking. I can see the gaskets, the nuts and bolts. It looks like it was just put in last night. Aluminum intake, restored quadrajet. Restored quadrajet carburetor with choke, electric choke. It's got headers. And everything in here looks new and proper. The battery's bolted down. It has horns. It has a Willwood master cylinder on the power brakes. It has factory electric wipers. That was an option. Beautiful chrome tilt column and all the levers, the shift lever, the shift indicator, all that's replaced. Shiny chrome, beautiful deluxe wheel. Now back in the motor compartment, it's got an aluminum radiator, and it has a flex fan on the motor, has an electric fan up front. It has a transmission cooler up there, so everything ought to run nice and cool. Everything just looks the way it should. Nuts and bolts, everything's just clean, and what I'm trying to say. Seats feel great. You can start a 57 Chevy without a key. Good thing, because I think I left the key back in the trunk. Another squeaky belt. Got a little cam, I can hear it. That Pipes exhaust sounds real nice. It's got some fat pipes on it. I don't know if they're 3-inch or 2.5, but nice and fat. Got a chrome alternator. Motor up here is quiet and smooth. No ticking, no noises. So there you have it. You got a 57 Chevy with a lot to offer. I mean, a big block, and it looks the part. It just looks far more expensive than what it really is. And you can go to volocars.com, and that's where you'll get the price. I just gave you my impression of this car. At our website, plenty of ways to contact us. The salesman would be happy to answer questions about the car. They can also get this shipped anywhere in the country. We can get you financed. Go to volocars.com if you're interested in this one or one of the others that we have available. If you enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you will be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.